The charity's been running now for almost 4 years. We actually originally set the charity up when my youngest son was diagnosed with autism, and it kind of felt a place that I was really isolated. So I set up just a small play group that was a kind of safe, non-judgmental environment for like-minded children to play, whilst kind of parents could just, I don't know, share support and advice and guidance really. It quickly grew, so we went from hiring a hall to kind of moving to a community centre, and then just a couple of months ago we found this place, so it's why we're here today. Honestly, we just feel so amazingly overwhelmed. One of the things when I moved into this place, one of my biggest kind of wishes was to get the carpet changed, because the place has been in operation for years and years and years, and as much as we kind of cleaned it to an inch of its life, the carpet was still really just worn and dirty. And then having got into contact with Jane at Milliken, she kind of mentioned to us about this opportunity of having the mashup. Not only do I love it and I feel like it's so amazingly perfect for this environment, but we just feel so overwhelmed. We just feel so lucky to actually, you know, get a brand new carpet fitted by all these amazing individuals that have donated the time. So yeah, feeling very emotional and very overwhelmed today.